Couple last things to tidy up real quick. I did just add some oxygen sensors here. And this is the post cap one. There are a couple of clips. Tucks in here, down, and clips on and come back up. I don't know, we'll just put it there for now. But it does come up over the car and plug into the car after we get the car installed. And this one has a clip right back here to clip it into. I just put these O2 sensors in. I realized that they have a connector that looks like this on this car. I got another set that said they were for them, and I noticed that they had a different connector. Now these have some janky connection because I guess they're like Chinese O2 sensors converted over to this connector, and I think that's what came with this car. So I guess we're gonna go back to use those just to show you. Oops, I forgot, I lifted the car back up already. But this right here are what the connections look like that they plug into. So if your car has those, then make sure your connectors on the other end look like this. Porsche dealership, by the way, wanted like 350 bucks per O2 sensor. So I see why they went with the Chinese version. Just opened up the air box. Ooh, that's a lovely surprise. It just had a whole bunch of these T25s holding it in. From all of those posts, just take those off. But you can tell it did a really good job. This thing looks brand new on the air filtered side, and this is the side where the air comes in, and it's disgusting. It was full of leaves and other crap. So I guess I'm gonna get me one of these Hengst E457Ls. So remember a long time ago when we were trying to figure out where this thing went? Well, so much easier to see with the transmission in. It bolts right here to these two bolts, and the other box bolts down there. And here it is attached. I believe that's how it's supposed to look. Follow along to the other videos to find out for sure.